I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We're here today at the Pohick Regional Library for the United States Naturalization Ceremony. I was talking about different ways we could partner and use the library more fully and effectively to serve the community. And it made sense to me because the mission, just our mission here as a cornerstone of the community, of a place that welcomes all and really is excited about that we would welcome a diversity of people that would come in and interact with each other and get to know each other, just a place full of stories.
Candidates, this is the moment that you have been waiting for. When you hear your country of nationality call, please stand and remain standing.
We started planning this in October of 2024 and had to have everything lined up with the United States Immigration Services. So it's been in the works for a while.
Candidates for naturalization, according to INA 337, this is the very last step of you becoming a United States citizen. So we're going to repeat the oath after me.
So the Immigration Services has been great to work with. Oh my goodness gracious. They are so organized and they really run the show. So we basically make sure we're complying with what they ask for. We recommend speakers, we recommend the person who sings the national anthem. We can recommend different things to the service, but it's pretty lined out already, you know, the way it works.
Congratulations on becoming naturalized citizens of the United States of America. Your hard work, study, and patience is about to become realized.
Take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Woo! Congratulations. You are America's new citizens. Another round of applause.
You learn from proximity, and that learning and building empathy among each other, I think, is really what we do as a big picture, a country at our best, and then what we should be about locally.
I'm very happy. I can say the word that I'm so happy than ever, to be a U.S. citizen.